welcome to another video. Today's video is a, drumroll please, a painting video. So let's get painting. Okay, so now that I have everything that I need, let's get painting. So at this point, I just started coloring, but then, my phone died. Why? Anyways, here's the finished background, all colored in and blended in. So now I'm gonna show you what colors I used. I started with like a cheddar cheese color. Yeah. So then on top, I put a lighter yellow after I put some white on top. And then the remaining bits of the top, I added a medium blue. And yeah. Then with a graphite pencil, I started sketching a giant mountain and I filled it in using black acrylic paint. I like using acrylic paint because when I'm covering large areas, it gives it a bold look, and the soft pastel can get a little patchy and it will smudge a lot. Pro tip, if you don't want your background to smudge, you can use some hairspray to avoid it from smudging. And that brings us to the end of this video. Hope you all enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on those post notifications. And if you didn't know already, I have an Instagram account where I post updates and sneak peeks on my upcoming videos. So make sure to go follow that channel. And until next time, bye!